quite large.
Are you doing a video again?
It's box size box. It's a box size box.
Oh, it's from Fabric.com.
Is it from
what's in
Fabric.com?
the
These are my favorite
box?
days.
Whoa, this is a great day.
It's a great day.
Careful.
What's in the fucking box? Oh, whoa, what's in the box? Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Let's go through them.
Yeah, let's go through them. What's this one for?
This one's gonna be for curtains. It's a nice, ooh, it's kind of like a 50s.
Yeah,
black,
look
50s
at that.
black. Oh, what's this one?
Oh,
Oh, weird. Oh, also for curtains. Pretty.
look at that other stuff.
Skirt. Oh yeah, that's, well, you can see it.
Well,
More
yeah.
curtains, floral
Let me see
curtains.
what you get for that one.
This one's, more curtains, yeah.
More curtains. Cool, cool.
Also, that's a nice kind of lace vibe.
Ooh, lacy. Gotta get up close to this one.
What's that called?
Lace. Flowers.
I don't think that's, it's like
Oh.
embroidered. There's
Oh,
a word
yeah.
for it.
There's a word for that. We'll
Put
get
it in the
back to you.
comments if you know.
Yeah.
Got a very tiny
Wow.
piece of netting for your,
This is for
funeral hat.
for your fascinator.
Yeah. Oh, cool. This one's really nice
Oh,
for
I
a
like
curtain.
that one. Or a
That's
bedspread,
good.
perhaps.
Well, it's for the show, and we don't have any bedspreads.
Okay, so it's
So.
for curtains.
Also for curtains.
That one's nice.
Also for curtains.
More curtains.
Also for curtains. Colors that Josh liked.
Nice little spring colors.
Right, Josh,
if you ask
remember?
me.
I'm not involved in this.
This, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, like and subscribe. please.
Whee! This one's, oh, this one's sweet. I got this for
Ooh.
curtains too. I'm really excited about this
Feel
one.
that
Isn't that nice?
one. Yeah. Save the surprise for last.
Ooh, another curtain. It's quite heavy.
Wow.
You never know
What you're gonna get.
what you're gonna get.
Like and subscribe.